Hey, you have reached App Dental Center. How can I help you today?
Hey, nice. Can you tell me about your business?
Sure thing. AP Dental Center is a full-service dental practice in the Boston area. We offer general, cosmetic, and restorative dentistry services. Plus, we have multiple locations to serve you better. Anything specific you'd like to know?
Yeah, can you tell me like specifically what kind of services do you provide? Like all the services that you provide.
Absolutely. We offer a wide range of services. General dentistry, regular checkups, teeth cleaning.
Great. In this video, we are going to prepare a voice agent for the dental services out there, any of the dentist website or the dental services that they provide, and we are going to live create a voice agent for you, which we are going to sell it to them. And literally everybody understands the importance of voice agent. Now why would they agree to pay you something like $297 a month or $497 a month? Of course, in the call you would see the quality of this voice agent, how they are able to answer each and every question, and literally that can save a lot of appointments. The reason that they are going to choose this, because they are missing out on so many leads, because they are not able to answer 24/7 all of their queries. So either they put the AI agent to 24/7 answer their calls, or when they are not able to answer the call, let's say from 9 to 5 they are able to answer the call, every time they are not able to pick the phone, every time they are not able to answer the phone, every time the off hour going on, AI agent will take over and answer on their behalf. And I'm going to show you how do you, like, how will you approach. Let's say I have just chose one of the dental place from the Boston, like AP Dental Center, and how can we quickly create a voice agent for them, and we are going to sell them by telling them this is the voice agent for you. Like, it is a done for you voice agent. They can ask the questions from the voice agent, and that is how they will be sold on the idea that if you want this voice agent, we can just plug and play with you. This is the cost, probably $297 a month or $497 a month, whatever that you want. And of course, $97 goes to the cost of this unlimited voice agent, and remaining becomes your profit, in this case like 200 or 400. So let us jump onto this. This is the Gohighlevel place. So where do you find the voice agent? Just go to the settings and click on voice agents, and then we are going to create a voice agent and just put the prompt to train the voice agent as per the dental service. So here, this is one of the already created voice agent, and I'll just create a new voice agent. And within the voice agent, let me tell you, you don't have to do much at all. Like, just change the business name and how will they introduce, right? For example, here I can write AP Dental Center. This is how it will start. And then here a business name also I can change. But before, like, guys, I proceed to just quickly finish this voice agent, let me just tell you guys that we are offering 127 plus snapshots which are valued over $10,000, and these snapshots contain the exclusive ones as well, the AI agency snapshot, and a voice, like one of the famous one that is going on is a voice agent that sells itself, like voice agent which is going to role play and sells itself on the live call, that snapshot, and then countless other like communities, coaching, you name it. 127 snapshot plus one-to-one personal WhatsApp support if you sign up to Gohighlevel using our link. And if you have already signed up, you can just upgrade to $297 plan or $497 plan. This is the link where you can go, abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and just watch the quick video where you are going to see how you can get it. And by the way, guys, like the people who are not able to, let's say you've already signed up, you don't want to upgrade, then this is the least that you can do. And literally, again, we are going to give you 127 snapshot. You just go to your agency settings and click on AI employee, click on manage offers, and within the FP reference, just put AI bonuses, AIBONUSES, and click on apply. That's it. And just email to us at abdullah@abdullahzahid.com or WhatsApp us at +91 9958 457 688. So either of these things, you sign up or upgrade, or you just enter our referral code in the AI agent, and we are going to give you all of that exclusive $10,000 plus value to snapshot. And just watch the quick video for the bonuses. Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid, and I have a confession to make. I have been associated with Gohighlevel as an independent affiliate from the past 4 years. I've done interview of Sean Clark, the CEO and the co-founder, another co-founder Varun Varavan. Super amazing people these are, one of the best software, and that is why we are on a journey to promote this software to as many people as possible. So we thought of solving the problem of the agencies for free. We have seen a lot of agencies who sign up new or just get on board with a Gohighlevel. They have a lot of issues because they do not know this how do you set up and then how do you use the system. They have a lot of question answer. They need constantly somebody to be around so that they can ask the question, they can get the setup. So they happen to even invest a lot of money hiring people around to get their website development, to do XYZ things. So we have converted all of this into a form of bonus for anybody who signs up using our referral link. So all you have to do is just go to the website abdullahzahi.com/snapshots, and that's where you can just click on the link and sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 or the $497 plan. Now, what are the bonuses that we are going to give you? Number one, one-to-one WhatsApp support, personal WhatsApp support. A group will be formed between me, you, and my Gohighlevel expert person, and the lady will be constantly there for your support. We'll do the onboarding, all your question and answer, anything that you wish to get developed, she will be developing. My goal is that the WhatsApp group will be ended only when you say, okay, I am satisfied with the support. That's the number one. Number two, you will be getting 127 exclusive snapshot. Basically, these exclusive snapshot, if you individually try to get them in the market, you'll have to pay thousands of dollars just for one snapshot. This is a done for you template, by the way. But here you are going to get it completely free, the entire 127 snapshot set. Not just that, even the personal website or the funnel development, if you wish, our Gohighlevel expert will do it for you. Then the fourth bonus would be we understand the importance of the artificial intelligence. So the AI employee entire grasping, like teaching you how do you do that, how does it work, and even doing the setup if you wish for it. And personalized guidance to all the secret trainings and the courses that are available for you to watch and do, as well as the private community access. So this is a personalized time bonus that we are giving to you, which is a unique bonus that you are going to get as an affiliate, because a lot of other people I have seen, they provide done for you courses and bonus which you can get it anyways onto the YouTube and other promo materials. So here is the personalized support, which is really going to be beneficial for you guys. All you have to do is just go to the link abdullahzahi.com/snapshots as onto the screen, sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 or $497 plan, and you are going to get, like, using the button link available there, you'll get all the bonus I just mentioned, irrespective whether you sign up using our link or not. I wish you guys all the best and I really love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, just want to shoot this quick video. Last month I signed up to Gohighlevel using Abdullah's affiliate link, and he gave me the snapshots as promised. And also I worked closely one-on-one with his Gohighlevel expert, and that was amazing and very helpful. She walked me through Gohighlevel, helped me create some workflows and automations. And yeah, if you're considering working with Abdullah or signing under his link, I highly recommend it. And yeah, wish you good luck. Cheers.
Now you have watched the video. Let us just complete our AI agent completion. As you can see, this is the part, and then all we can do is just click on the next, and here the training will happen. Like, I just click on switch to advanced mode. Within the advanced mode, like, there is a detailed set of things that can happen, right? So what are the detailed set of things? Pre-instructions are already there, and now we want to give them the other instructions. So I just copy this name of the website and I need to gather as much information. How do I gather it? I mean, this is a prompt again, guys. If you sign up using our link, everything, all these things you will be getting. I just replace this website with this one and just click on this one. And here in the chat GPT, I just type in this prompt so that it creates me the AI agent prompt for this dental. So it is creating for me a detailed AI prompt based on the instruction I just gave. Basically, it is fetching all the details of this website, the dental service, which is going to train the voice agent to answer the call on behalf of any of the caller for this dentistry. As you can see, it has fetched all the timings, everything. So with this prompt, you have all the details. So I'll just copy this. Right, and I copy this, and within here, within my AI agent, I just type, okay, your training, or even if you don't type your training, doesn't matter. like copy paste all these things. Okay, it is asking me that emojis are not allowed, so I'll just need to remove the emojis. Yeah, I think this is one of the emoji. Yeah, so here we just remove the emoji and just click on next, and here our voice AI agent is ready. What is the phone number? Let us select this one. And as you can see, what I told you guys, like what kind of agent that they want. As you can see, enable AI agent as backup to phone number. So AI agent will only answer if the user did not pick. So if outside working hours anybody calls, if user just call just missed, somebody was not able to pick the phone, any of the reason, AI agent will answer. Or you can set up the working hours like 9 to 5 p.m. or let's say post working hours like from 5 p.m. till next day, till the time office is closed, or you just every time the call is not. So I would prefer this every time call is not answered. So this is how it, and I just click on save, and my agent is created, by the way, guys. That's it. Like this is the agent. How easy it is. Just copy paste the prompt and paste the prompt into the voice agent, and my agent is ready. Now I'm ready to sell my voice agent to this. Like I can reach out to these people and tell them I have a voice agent which is going to 24/7 assist you and 100% free. You can test it out. Should I just, I mean, should we just give you the link, and even I can just record this and show them that how does it work. Now let us just test this voice agent. So here I put my phone number. So here I put my number and I just do this test call. Hey.
Hey, you have reached App Dental Center. How can I help you today?
Hey, nice. Can you tell me about your business?
Sure thing. AP Dental Center is a full-service dental practice in the Boston area. We offer general, cosmetic, and restorative dentistry services. Plus, we have multiple locations to serve you better. Anything specific you'd like to know?
Yeah, can you tell me like specifically what kind of services do you provide? Like all the services that you provide.
Absolutely. We offer a wide range of services. General dentistry, regular checkups, teeth cleaning, root canals, tooth extractions, fillings, gum disease treatment, and pediatric dentistry. Cosmetic dentistry, teeth whitening, dental veneers, tooth bonding, microabrasion, and Invisalign. Restorative dentistry, dental crowns and bridges, dentures, and dental implants. Emergency dental services, for urgent care like severe tooth pain or broken teeth. TMJ treatment addressing temporomandibular joint disorders. Is there a specific service you're interested in?
I think, I mean, that is great. Can you tell me about the offices, like what kind of location, or what all locations that you have, as well as the phone number and the timing of those offices?
Sure thing. We have 4 locations. 1. East Boston office, 231 Border Street, Boston, Massachusetts, 02128. Phone 617-315-1515. Open Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Saturday from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. 2. Winthrop office, 113 Revere Suite 1, Winthrop, Massachusetts, 02152. Phone 617-846-1237. Open Monday to Friday from 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m.
Okay.
3.
So, I mean, I understand. Thanks a lot. Like, you know all the details. So, how can I book the appointment from here? Like, I'm impressed. One of the service, I think I'll take the TMJ service from you guys. How do I book the appointment?
I'm glad to hear you're interested in our TMJ services. You can book an appointment online through our website. If you prefer, I can have a team member reach out to help you with the booking. Would you like me to arrange that for you?
Yes, I think that would be much better. Just arrange, get someone to call me.
Absolutely. I'll arrange for a team member to reach out to you soon. Could you please provide your contact information so we can get in touch?
Yeah, note down the contact +91 9958 457 688.
Got it. Thanks for sharing your contact number. A team member will reach out to you soon to help with booking your appointment. Anything else I can assist you with?
By the way, just add my name is Abdullah. Just add my name as well to it.
Thanks, Abdullah. I've got your name down. If there's nothing else, I'll make sure someone gets in touch with you soon. Have a great day.
Thank you. There you go, guys. And as you can see, as the call gets ended, the entire transcript of the entire call is available. And if we can define it that by default it emails it to one of the executive or emails it to any particular email address that we want. As you can see, hey, you read this and this is what I said, this is what they said. The entire transcript of the call is available. So as you can see, guys, like how amazing this voice AI agent works. Like literally it can become, I mean, what is the reason that all these dental services, so many appointments they are being missing out, and they understand the importance of AI agent. But here you come and give them done for you solution in the name of voice agent, and literally they are going to pay you, and literally you can like just once you have done it, once you've onboarded the first client, you keep on repeating client after client after client, and you can make a big bank out of it. Now, as for the charge, like let's say to understand how do you charge. So within this I mean, I'm just going back to the agency settings, and like here itself, you can do the reselling part. And by the way, guys, like this is the AI employee I'm talking. You click on the settings, AI employee, and then click on manage offers. That's where the rebilling amount you can set. So here, FP reference I was talking, you have to put AIBONUS and click on apply. That's it. Like the moment that you do that, just email to us and I'm going to ensure, apart from 127 snapshot and everything, you will have my back. Like literally I'll give you a community access and everything possible that I can give you, and I'll be really appreciable for that. Like I appreciate you for that. So as you can see, this is the rebilling amount 297. What is the cost for unlimited voice agent, and as well as the other AI employee part will also be unlimited. But here let's say the only one part you're giving. Now for $97 plan, you have the other conversation AI, content AI, everything. But here, let's say the voice AI agent, 200 will be your profit every client that you onboard per month. Let's say I want to change it. I want to make it 497. 400 will be my profit. Super amazing, right? So here, I mean, let's say I just select 497, right? And I click on save. Yeah. So the moment I click on save, I mean, every time the client within their sub account, they upgrade to AI employee unlimited, I will be given $400 of profit, and $97 will go to Gohighlevel for the cost of this unlimited AI agent. But just imagine, you are the you are leading the charge. Most of the businesses do not have the AI agent installed yet, but in the coming time, most of them would be having it. So here you can come as a solution, agency solution, and charge them, as well as you can offer other things along with it, maybe AI chatbot along with it, right? I'll make a separate video for that. How do you install the AI chatbot? Club the offer and you become the unique solution for these people. I hope that you found the video helpful. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.